Okay, so in this video we're going to have a look at a practice multiple choice question. We're going to apply what we know about the budget line to this question. So we are told that we have an initial budget line of JK, and the budget line then shifts to this line GH. So what could cause that to happen? Well, we know that the equation of the budget line takes this form. We have the gradient of the budget line is the price of X divided by the price of Y, negative the price of X divided by the price of Y, downward sloping. And we know that the Y-intercept is your income divided by the price of Y. We also know that the X-intercept is your income divided by the price of X. So then, what could have happened to move us from JK to GH? Well, we start with the price of good X. So firstly, the budget line has clearly become steeper. So if the budget line has become steeper, well, it must be the case that either the price of X has increased, or the price of Y has decreased, or some combination of this. Right? So clearly, if we're restricted to just thinking about the price of good X, an increase in the gradient suggests that the price of good X has increased. So we can eliminate straight away B and D. What about our money income? Well, for this we can look at the Y-intercept, because we are assuming here that the price of good Y is remaining unchanged. So we're fixing the price of good Y, but then how is it that it becomes possible to consume more units of good Y? Well, it must be that our income has increased. So the fact that we can consume at points, let's say B, as opposed to previously only being able to consume at point A, tells us that we now have more money, because that represents spending all of your money on good Y, and the price of Y is assumed to be unchanged. So then it must be the case that your money income has increased as well, and the answer is therefore going to be A. Okay, so if you just think about these budget line questions logically, they are very easy to solve.